Hello. If you wonder if Galaxy S25 Ultra does come with a charger, let me quickly show you. Let me open up this box. And right here is the place for the phone. Let's put it aside. And on the top of this box, right here we have the box with accessories. So let's take this one out. And we'll put this one aside too. And right here on the below, no actually right here we can open up this box. So let's open this one up. And right here we can take it out, this piece of paper. We're using this like thing right here, the strap. And what we can find here is the pin for the SIM tray. Right here we have the quick start guide. You have some other papers, some warranty card I believe, and right here is the charging cable, and there's actually nothing more inside this accessory box. So basically that means that the Galaxy S25 Ultra doesn't come with the charger. Thank you for watching.